Essentially involves managing people involved in the projects and projects for our customers across Australia, New Zealand and wider, and helping them to get their digital signage and technology installed on time, within the budget and scope, and to the highest standard our business and, more importantly, our customer expect. With these enterprise technology projects, there can be lots of complexity and responsibility where you depend on each of the different teams. Ensuring compliance and planning thoroughly really helps. You have already done half the job with good planning, and we pride ourselves on this at Engagis. Each project is unique, and there is always something new, which is also so exciting. But I think the most satisfying part is seeing the end product come to life, seeing the project delivered to the high standard and knowing that the technology is going to make a difference to our customers and their customers. The most challenging technology project I managed was working with a customer that is based in a different part of the world, that had very unique requirements in a challenging time throughout COVID and supply chain crisis. There were 3 different time zones, and we worked with the technicians based here in Australia, Canada and New Zealand. The time zone unique customer requirements in a weird and challenging time meant that there was a lot of pressure, and it required the right planning, communication, resourcing and teamwork. We are customer obsessive here at Engagis, so we were given all the right support and resources to navigate the project. And it was very satisfying knowing we had overcome the unique challenges to deliver a project that the client was happy with. This client is part of the financial industry, which naturally involves a lot of restrictions around the site access, networking, and other complexity. Given the size, scope, complexity, and unique requirements of the project, we actually had to develop some new processes. At Engagis, continual learning, listening, and business processes are highly valued. This is supported by our ISO qualification across IT security, operations, environment, and work health and safety. So for us, we're very well set up to take on a project like this with unique requirements and challenges, as we were flexible in developing new processes along the way, especially if it means improving what we provide for our customers. Aside from providing expert advice, we are also providing them with a digital signage solution for 1,600 devices and 1,100 screens, plus our new and improved content management system, Impress Plus.